You feel different. Something inside is shifting. And, the world around you? It just doesn't feel the same anymore. That's not confusion. It's a sign. You might be experiencing a spiritual awakening. Here are 7 signs that your soul is waking up. 1. Nature touches you deeply. Sunsets move you. Trees feel alive. The breeze? It carries a message. You feel connected to all of it. 2. You begin to question everything. Old beliefs no longer fit. You crave truth, not tradition. Surface answers feel empty. You want depth. 3. You seek solitude. You're not lonely, you're healing. In silence, you're meeting your true self. 4. Emotion become powerful. You cry more, but you also laugh from your soul. You feel joy, pain, love, intensely. 5. You release toxic energy. Old friends, old habits, even old thoughts. You let them go. Because they no longer match your vibration. 6. Synchronicities guide you. 11:11. Butterflies. Dreams that feel real. The universe is whispering. And you're finally listening. 7. You remember who you are. Not a job. Not a role. Not a name. You are light. You are consciousness. You are awakening. This is not the end. It's the beginning. A return to truth. A return to your soul. If this resonated with you, you're not alone.
If this resonated with you,
like this video.
you are not alone. Like this
Subscribe
video. Subscribe now
for more guidance. Your spiritual journey matters. You're not breaking down. You're breaking open. And your awakening has only just begun. This is just the beginning of your beautiful transformation. Namaste.